Hi, I'm State Senator Win Stoller. I just concluded my first year in office, and if re-elected, I will be your state senator. In my first year, I was able to pass 4 bills into law, and one of them was my bill that will save 400,000 small businesses many thousands of dollars on their federal taxes, and I'd like to share with you a few details. With tax filing season upon us, I wanted to make our small employers aware of an incredible opportunity to save substantial money on their federal taxes. My tax legislation comes at a great time with all of the headwinds facing our small employers these days. With COVID shutdowns, inflation, supply chain disruptions, and labor shortages, this is just an incredible breath of fresh air. Most small employers are taxed on their personal returns. Their business income is taxed on their personal returns, and that's where it's subject to that $10,000 cap on the state and local tax deduction. My bill shifts that income away from their personal return and onto their business return so they can take full advantage of all of that income as a deduction on their federal tax return, which generates substantial savings on their federal taxes. One of the cool things about my bill is because all of the savings are on the federal side, there is no cost to the state of Illinois. It's completely revenue neutral. In fact, to my knowledge, this is the only time in the history of Illinois that a state legislator has changed Illinois law to allow for federal tax savings. Almost all small businesses will be able to benefit. In fact, over 400,000 small employers from across the entire state will save substantial money on their federal taxes with my tax bill. One of the gratifying things about doing this in my very first year in office was I was able to work this bill in a bipartisan manner. I had 14 Democrats and 17 Republicans co-sponsor my bill, and the governor signed it into law this past August after it passed both houses unanimously. To take advantage of this great opportunity, tell your tax preparer that you want to elect to pay taxes as a business entity utilizing the PTE tax and associated credit. PTE stands for Pass-Through Entity. For more information and all the details, you can go to my website at senatorstoller.com or my Senator Stoller Facebook page.